What's going on? Jump serving in volleyball on Roblox 4.2 is a powerful technique that combines timing, combines precision, and strategy. So to begin, you're going to position yourself behind the service line, ensuring that you have enough space to take a few steps before you jump. You're going to stand taller with your feet and shoulder width apart and hold the volleyball in one hand. The other hand should be ready to toss the ball into the air. Now start by tossing the ball with your non-dominant hand at a comfortable height, okay? Just above your head, okay? Now, as the ball rises, you're gonna take a few steps forward to build momentum. As you approach the point where you're gonna jump, you're gonna bend your knees slightly to prepare for the leap. At the peak of your leap, you're gonna extend your arm fully and strike the ball with the heel of your hand, aiming to send it over the net with a strong downward trajectory. When executing the jump serve, you're going to focus on your timing. The key is to release the ball at the right moment and hit it with enough force to make it difficult for the opposing team to return it. In Roblox 4.2, the controls will allow you to adjust the power and accuracy of your serve. So practice frequently to improve your serve's consistency and effectiveness.